Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today I will be doing a Fortnite dance tutorial for you guys. Actually, I was planning on doing something else, but then I saw so many of you guys requested this new dance mode called Dream Feet, so I thought, you know what, let's do Dream Feet first. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Amagat, for being the first one to request it. And Pablo, if you're watching this, I know you said you were the first one, but you were just seconds away from being the first one. So better luck next time. Alright, so what I love about this new dance mode Dream Feet is that it's basically just 2 8 counts, and it's almost all the moves are on and counts, meaning that it's on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Alright, so the first move is basically just twisting your body from side to side and jumping at the same time. But you don't have to exaggerate, right? So the toes are not pointing out here, but maybe here in the corner, yeah, into this corner. So just a small twist from side to side while you're jumping. Now, the only thing you want to add is using your left to begin with, saying toes, and then heel, and then toes, and then heel. And you switch every time you do a jump. So let's just practice with your left leg, doing the toe, heel, heel. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Heel, toe, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, heel. And it kind of helps if you bend your knees a bit, yeah? So you're not up here doing this, but you're going a bit down, down, up actually. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, again. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, heel. Alright, now let's try to combine that with the jump. Yeah, so we're gonna go super slow. We're gonna go jump. Yeah, so let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Yeah, now let's try to do the other jump from here. We're gonna go jump. So again from here, 7, 8, we go jump. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Now, let's try to do the 2 first ones. So we're gonna go here, toes, heel. Yeah, so 2 jumps, toe, heel, sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel. Now, you just want to repeat this. So you're gonna go toes again, and then heel, yeah? So we're gonna go 1 and 2, and with the jump, of course. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe, heel. A bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Toes, heel. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes, heel. Alright, now what you want to do is do this on the other side. Yeah, so what you want to do here is you're going to say your right is going to go up on your toes, and then you're going to jump on your left. Yeah, so let's just try that from here, here, again from here, here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. From here, you want to repeat the process on the other side. So you want to say on your heel, jump. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. And then repeat. And again. Yeah, so we're going 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And let's try that. A bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. And from here, 3 and 4. And I think the count was actually wrong, but never mind. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and now the arms are basically just doing this from side to side. And again, you don't have to exaggerate, just keep it in here. They help with the twisting. So you start like this, yeah, so the left arm is out here and the right arm is bent in here. And then you want to say switch, switch, switch. From here, you want to go stay, switch, switch, switch. Yeah, so they stay where you do the switching from one side to another. So let's just try it again with the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and one at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Alright, so the next part is super simple. So we went from here. Now you want to jump down like this. And you don't have to exaggerate and go all the way down here like squatting. But just somewhere here, and then you want to go right. Then you want to say here, here. Yeah, so just 2 times. Whoop, whoop. And then you want to say, and at the same time you're also going up. Yeah, so you're saying right, left, and then they go down. Yeah, let's just practice that part. So we went from here to ta, ta, right, left, and let's just do that. So let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta, right, left, down. Yeah, and we want to prepare for the next part. Let's try that one more time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta, right, left, down. Alright, so as soon as you take your arms down, they want to come back up. Now you want to say here, so the left one goes first, behind your head, or over your head, yeah? And then you want to say around, yeah? So notice my elbows are going from here to here, yeah? And then you want to pull them down, and then say point. That's just the arms. Let's just practice the arms. So here, you want to go over your head, yeah? So elbows are pointing out to the sides. Now you want to go around here, so elbows pointing to the front. Now down, pull them down, and then say, look at the messy floor. Again, so here, down, up, over your head, around, point. Last time. So let's just go one step back and go boom, boom, right, left, down, up, over your head, around, down. So let's practice that part. So we say ta, ta, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta, right, left, down, up, around, and point. Alright, so while you're doing all this, boom, boom, from here, you want to first pull up your arms, and then when you go around your head here, you want to say twist in your knee here. Yeah, so you're on your toes on your right leg, twisting your heel in like that. Yeah, so from here, I want to go in. So up, around, point. Yeah, so you want to end as soon as you're pointing. So you want to go up, so your knees start to point up like this, and then you turn it inwards here. So again, so we just did here, whoop, up, around, point. Alright, so let's go one step back and then practice this. Whoom, whoom, up, around, point. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, right, left, up, and round, down. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, top, right, left, up, around, point. Alright, so let's take it from the tip top so that we don't forget the first part. I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice it together. So, boom, 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 top, top, right, left, and around, down. Alright, now let's try slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Toes, heel, toes, heel. Now switch. Switch, heel, toe, heel. Now jump down, jump, here, right, left, down, and around, turn, down. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Toes, heel, toes, heel. Now switch. Switch, heel, toes, heel. Go down. Boom, and right, left, and up to your head, around, point. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toes, heel, switch, heel, toes, heel. Now down and right, left, round, and point.